Let's see how to unlock an iPad without passcode or Apple ID. In the first step, open Settings. Next, select Face ID and Passcode. Then turn off the passcode. In the next step, open Settings. After that, select iCloud. Then log out from iCloud. In the next step, open Settings later, select Apple ID. Now, unlink connected devices. In the next step, plug iPad into computer. After that, launch Finder or iTunes. Then open iPad storage. In the next step, open Settings. After that, select Screen Time. After that, disable Screen Time passcode. You are good to go.